A brand new AI just replaced your entire growth marketing team, and it's already running campaigns without asking anyone for permission. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Thursday, May 21st, 2026. In AI news today, a startup called Tempo just launched what it's calling the world's first AI head of growth. Here's what makes this wild. Every single week, this agent independently builds a growth plan, deploys full marketing campaigns, and optimizes performance. No human approval needed. The launch video racked up 1.5 million views almost instantly. This is agentic AI moving from demo to deployed inside real business workflows right now. Also in AI news, Take-Two Interactive CEO Strauss Zelnick just drew a very public line in the sand. He says AI can absolutely help developers generate assets faster, but it cannot make a genuine blockbuster. GTA 6, one of the most anticipated games in history, is being 100% handcrafted by humans. While the rest of the industry races toward AI-generated worlds, Zelnick is betting that real creativity still needs a human behind it. In tech news, Airbnb just rolled out its most significant app overhaul in years with the 2025 summer release. We're talking AI-powered smart comparisons that help you actually choose the right listing, shared itineraries with live maps, AI-surfaced review highlights, plus car rentals and luggage storage all baked into the app. Airbnb isn't just adding features, it's repositioning itself as a fully AI-native travel platform, right as summer travel demand peaks. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI replacing human growth roles in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.